Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to recover Instagram's deleted posts. So you have to go to your Instagram. Now, once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. Now tap on the three lines on the top. It will lead you here and you have to go to your activity in how you use Instagram section. Now you have to go to the recently deleted option in removed and archived content. Now you find the recently deleted posts. So you can keep tapped on a post and then tap on restore. So tap on restore and it will be restored again. So yeah, this is how you can easily recover your deleted Instagram posts. Hope this will work for you and let us know your experience with it, and we'll see you in the next video.